Hi friends, so in this video I am going to explain Wi-Fi hotspot settings. Open settings, then tap on wireless connections, then tap on personal hotspot. So here you can see personal hotspot. So we can enable or disable personal hotspot using this option. So let me enable it. Okay. Then here you can set name and password for Wi-Fi hotspot. Tap here. So if you want to set name for your Wi-Fi hotspot, you can set name here. So I am going to give my Wi-Fi 3. Then if you want to change the password, you can set password here. Then if you want to disable this Wi-Fi hotspot, not disable, if you want to hide this Wi-Fi hotspot, you can disable this option. So that way you can make your Wi-Fi hotspot name invisible. So in that case, if somebody want to connect, they should know this name, otherwise they will not be able to connect to this Wi-Fi. So after these changes, we need to save it. Tap on save. You can see it automatically restarted Wi-Fi hotspot. So let me test this connection. Take another mobile phone, then go to Wi-Fi. So there you will be able to see the name of the Wi-Fi hotspot which we created in this phone. So name of the Wi-Fi hotspot is My Wi-Fi 3. You can see My Wi-Fi 3 here. So if you want to connect to that My Wi-Fi 3, we need to tap on this item. Tap here. Then it will ask for password. So we need to enter this password there. 12345675. So let me enter that password here. Then tap on connect. You can see it's connecting. Okay, connected. So now this Wi-Fi hotspot which I created is working. So this way we can confirm it. So let me explain other Wi-Fi settings. Go to connection management. So here you will be able to see the connected devices. You can see one device has connected to this Wi-Fi hotspot, and here you can set data restriction. You can limit the data usage using this option. Then maximum allowed connections. So this way we can set the number of devices which you want to connect to this Wi-Fi hotspot. You can limit the number of devices. Then it is a blacklist. So blacklist means you can block one particular device. After that, that device will not be able to use your Wi-Fi hotspot. So let me blacklist this device. If you want to blacklist this device, just tap and hold, then tap on disconnect and blacklist. When I select this option, it will add this device to this list. You can see now this list showing one devices. Tap here. You can see. If you want to unblock, tap and hold on this device, then tap on remove. So this way we can block a particular device. So let me go back. So this option actually, when there is no device is connected to this particular Wi-Fi hotspot for 10 minutes, it will automatically turn off this hotspot. So that is what this option. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe my channel. Please like and share the video. If you have any doubt, please comment.